Good afternoon. My name is Bill Bissell-Cohen, Assistant Director of Broadway Family Karate. Today we're going to look at the shuffle step forward from a standing base. So this is used when somebody's actually grabbed you and trying to pull you somewhere. It's a defense against that. You want to always prevent yourself from being knocked over. So let me demonstrate. Let's start by getting into a good base stance. Knees bent. My feet are parallel to each other, like so. Okay, you always want to keep your back straight. So let's say somebody's grabbed me and they're trying to pull me along. So I want to resist a little bit, but I don't want to end up going over like that. And I also don't want to pull back, like so. I want to keep my back straight. So once I feel that pull and I feel my back foot start to lift a little bit, I'm going to move that back foot first and then the front foot. And they pull again, back foot first, and then front foot. Okay, let me do this from the side. Okay, getting into a good standing base. Back straight. Okay, somebody's grabbed me and then pull me. So what I'm going to do is, I don't want to lean forward and I don't want to pull back. So, as my back foot starts to come off the ground just a little bit, I want to do that shuffle step. So I'm bringing that, move that back foot first, and then the front foot. Okay, again, back foot, front foot. Back foot, front foot, back foot, front foot. So, on this hill, can you come in and assist me? I want to demonstrate how this works. Okay, so I'm going to be grabbing this hill and trying to pull her along. Okay, so we're going back up just a little bit. Okay, so go ahead and put your left foot in front. Okay, so let's just demonstrate the footwork first. Okay, so as I pull her, she's going to shuffle step with that back foot first, and then the front foot. Okay, again, and again. Okay, let's move back again. Let me pull a little faster. Okay, ready? And okay, very good. Okay, now let's move up just a little bit. Okay, well, let's say this hill starts to lean back, which we don't want to do, because if she does that, go ahead and lean back, because in order to resist the pull, I could just let go and let her fall to the ground. Okay, so you always want to keep your back straight, like so. You also don't want to lean forward. That's not a good position to be in. I could hit her on the head with my elbow and knock her out. Okay, so let's go ahead and back up just a little bit. Okay, so I'm going to do a couple of hard pulls. Just like that. Okay, thank you. Still. The important thing with the making sure you're in a standing base, making sure you're not leaning forward or leaning back. Okay, you always want to maintain your back straight and in good balance. Okay, keep your knees bent. Okay, and you don't want to ever bring your feet together as you're doing this shuffle step. If you bring your feet together, you might trip over your feet. So you don't want to come any closer than like my feet are right now. And that is the shuffle step forward in the standing base.